The next generation of RNA purification is here. Imagine putting Direct-zol directly onto a column and getting RNA out. With Direct-zol, simply lyse your sample with Direct-zol or TRI Reagent, add alcohol, and load directly onto a zymosbin column. Simply wash and elute your RNA, which is immediately ready for use in any sensitive downstream application. Unlike the traditional method, there is no need for phase separation using organic solvents. Direct-zol also eliminates tedious alcohol precipitation steps. The conventional phase separating method can result in phenol carryover, while RNA isolated using Direct-zol is phenol-free. Get high-quality, DNA-free RNA in just 7 minutes with Direct-zol. Direct-zol, Direct-zol in, RNA out.